I'm not adding anything to the debate. As a parliamentary affairs minister, I have a responsibility because it's painful to me for the last few days. One is on account of Sushma ji. A honest minister, best performing minister, facing this sort of a totally negative propaganda. I thought it will come to an end today. But today also, Madam Speaker, I must share with you because you were sometimes angry when my people were shouting. They should not shout. I agree with you. But what was it? What was it the people who insisted on the motion doing when Madam Sushma Swaraj was speaking in the House? Is it the way to treat a minister? That a woman minister? Against whom you made all sorts of allegations for days together? You want to tar her image? And you want everybody to keep quiet? When you stand up, we have to keep quiet. When minister want to respond, you don't even have the courtesy. Khargeji is such a senior person with so much experience in life. Give such a treatment to Sushma ji? One. Second point is, ma'am, I am a Parliament Affairs Minister. What a Parliament Affairs Minister has to do? Some people are giving me advice. I welcome their advice. I have less knowledge than them. I called a meeting on 20th. 41 political leaders, ma'am, it has to go on record. 41 political leaders of 29 political parties were present. We discussed various issues. Many of our friends are here. And then at the end of the day, 28 parties said that House must function and all issues, including this so-called Dalit issue also, should be taken up for discussion. That was the broad consensus. If I am wrong, our Bhartrihari is here, and then Jitendra is here, Rajmohan Reddy is here, ADMK Venugopal is here, others are there. That was the broad. They said, yes, it should be discussed, an important issue. What was the response of the government, ma'am? I said, government is willing to discuss each and every issue. One. Secondly, our leader, the Prime Minister of the country, he was present. He also assured that all the issues will be discussed. What did the Congress party say in that meeting? It is there in the minutes. If necessary, normal, I don't do it because I don't want to quarrel as a Parliament Affairs Minister. Don't behave of my stature also. And I am supposed to be friendly with all, which I am trying to be. But at the same time, I cannot be unfriendly with the truth. The point is, the Congress party went on record saying, no, House will not function unless ministers resign. First resignation, then discussion. That was the statement given, ma'am. After that, ma'am, we came to you. The Honorable Speaker's customary lunch that day. Broadly, government said same thing, that government is willing to discuss each and every issue. They raised certain issues. I don't want to comment on that because it was held under the Speaker's chairmanship. Then, ma'am, on 30th, Honorable Speaker has called a meeting again. I would like to recall, for the sake of record, on 30th July, Speaker called a meeting requesting members of Parliament, political issues you settle, other issues you settle among yourselves, but at least, for the sake of democracy, coming to the well of the House and displaying placards should be avoided. This is my earnest appeal to all of you. That's what the Speaker has said. That was then again, as a Parliamentary Affairs Minister, because there was a deadlock, they were creating bedlam in the House. I called a meeting again on 3rd August, ma'am. I called a meeting of all party leaders. Before that, Arunji made an attempt to talk to the people. Informally, they agreed, but subsequently they said, no, we can't come. So Arunji has dropped that meeting. Nakviji has spoken to all people. Then on 3rd, I called a meeting of opposition parties, and I assured them, government is ready to discuss each and every issue, including this issue, in whatever manner you want, as per the rules, because admission is not in the hands of Venkaiah Naidu, Parliament Affairs Minister, it is in the hands of the Speaker as per the rules. Speaker also goes by rules and precedents. So then, that also their Congress categorically stated, resignation first, discussion later. And most of the parties said, no, we must discuss how should we allow to continue. Madam, again, on 10th, Mulayam Singh ji here in this House gave a suggestion to the Honorable Speaker, saying that why don't you call leaders and then sort out this issue, what is happening to Parliament. Others are not getting an opportunity to discuss issues. Then you were kind enough to call many of the leaders to your chamber, including me. I came there, we discussed, and Mulayam Singh ji said that Parliament के साथ लोकतंत्र का ये नहीं होना चाहिए, पार्लियामेंट में बहस होना चाहिए, ऐसा मुलायम सिंह जी ने कहा. बाकी लोगों ने भी, अभी तक सुप्रिया जी यहाँ बैठे थे, सुप्रिया जी ने भी कहा और अन्य लोगों ने कहा. तो बीजेडी शुरू से यही मत का था, वाईएसआर कांग्रेस पार्टी और टीआरएस पार्टी और ये बाकी जो पार्टीज है एडीएम के, तो यही उनका मत था सदन में बहस होना चाहिए. That was put on record also. But there, मुलायम सिंह जी confronted and insisted that I have कुछ रास्ता निकालना चाहिए. मैंने इतना दिन आपको साथ दिया, आप अभी साथ दो और हाउस चलाओ, जो भी आपको कहना कह दीजिए. मंत्री ने क्या पाप किया? तो उन्होंने पूछा, तो लोगों कांग्रेस वाले ने कहा तो सब कुछ मालूम है. उन्होंने कहा मुझे मालूम नहीं. हाउस में चर्चा होने दीजिए, मंत्री को जवाब देने दीजिए, और बाद में आपको पसंद नहीं है तो जो करना करिए. जो आज किया ना उन्होंने, कोई काम करिए ऐसा. मैं व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज दिस इज नॉट टू सेटल स्कोर्स और स्कोर पॉइंट्स. सम पीपल आर गिविंग advice outside. Government should have been little more flexible. Ma'am, the meeting they said 6 ministers of our government have been asked to resign, forced to resign. They were made to resign. We are asking only for 2 ministers. So then, madam, with respect to all, there is a small story called as Chennai Madras Panchayat. Madras is our next door to me. Madras is Chennai city. Our friends are all sitting here. So one fellow was quarreling with the other fellow, saying, भाई मुझे 50,000 देना, आपने दिया नहीं, तो दूसरे झगड़ा बढ़ गया, तो भीड़ जमा हो गया. तो लोगों ने कहा भाई झगड़ा क्यों करते रहे, आपस में बात करो. तो उन्होंने कहा हम दोनों आपस में बात करते नहीं. तो उन्होंने कहा एक पेद्द मनीषी, तेलुगु में कहते हैं पेद्द मनीषी मीन्स एल्डरली मैन, यहाँ कहते हैं पंच को चुनो और वो जो कहेगा उसके अनुसार आप लोग इसको सॉर्ट आउट करो. तो फिर पंच को चुना. पंच ने पूछा इनसे क्या है. सर इन्होंने मेरे से 50,000 रुपए लिया और वापस नहीं कर रहे. दूसरी व्यक्ति से पूछा तुम्हारा आर्गुमेंट क्या है. उन्होंने कहा सर मैं अभी ट्रेन से उतरा हूं, ये कौन है मुझे मालूम भी नहीं है, और मैं हैंडबैग देख के ये मेरे से झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, मुझे 50,000 वापस करो. ऐसा मैंने कभी इनको देखा नहीं, इनका चेहरा भी मुझे मालूम नहीं सर. तो ये जेंटलमैन जिनको पंच चुना उन्होंने कहा नहीं दोबारा रिपीट करो. दोबारा रिपीट किया. तो बाकी लोगों ने कहा सर आप जजमेंट दे दो, आर्बिट्रेशन कर दो. तो इन्होंने आर्बिट्रेशन दे दिया. ऐसा है ना, आप कह रहे 50,000 ना, आपका कहना है कुछ दिया नहीं ना, ठीक है ऐसा करो 25,000 दे के विवाद का समाप्त. ये मिनिस्टर है, बेटर परफॉर्मिंग मिनिस्टर हु हैज स्पेंट आवर एंटायर लाइफ इन द सर्विस ऑफ द पीपल, एंड देन and also a chief minister who is the darling of the masses, who has won 3 elections in Madhya Pradesh. It is very engaged, coming from an ordinary background, and a chief minister who is so popular in Rajasthan. Without even anything, you want their heads, and then I have to agree because 6 we have resigned, and at least I have to do 2. I can't. And it will be doing injustice to democracy and doing injustice to the what do you call it, justice also. So, from madam, that's one. The lastly, there is a statement because a lot of journalists were also asking me, जी थोड़ा सा flexibility होना चाहिए. मैंने कहा आप बताइए flexibility क्या होना चाहिए. ना उनको कुछ ना कुछ वे आउट देना चाहिए. वे आउट दिया मैडम हमने. आज सुषमा जी खड़े होकर कहा एडमिट करो. अभी आरोप क्या है, इसलिए मैं खड़े हो गया. आरोप क्या है, ये काम पहले दिन कर सकते थे. अरे पहले दिन से आप लोग कह रहे इस्तीफा पहले चर्चा बाद में. आज पहली बार आपको ज्ञानोदय हो गया. आपने कहा बहस और बाद में इस्तीफा. तो हमने तुरंत स्वीकार किया. शब्दावली के बारे में भी आपत्ति था मैडम, आपके पास मैं आया तो उसको वो भी सॉर्ट आउट हो गया. सुषमा जी सुषमा जी ने कहा है तो कोई भी शब्दावली मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, मगर आप सभापति है, कुछ रूल्स है, नियम है, और प्रेसिडेंट बनेगा, इसलिए हम सब मिलकर बात करके उसको सॉर्ट आउट किया है. इसलिए यहाँ कोई हमने उनका कहने से जो 3/4 मेजॉरिटी से लोकसभा ने पारित किया लैंड बिल, सेनेट कमेटी को भेजा. जो जीएसटी बिल सर्वसम्मति से पारित हो गया लोकसभा में, उनका कहने से, उनका अश्योरेंस पे हमने सेनेट कमेटी को भेजा. और हमने रियल एस्टेट बिल, जो मेरा इंपॉर्टेंट रजिस्ट्रेशन है, पहले स्टैंडिंग कमेटी में गया, दोबारा आया, फिर भी उन्होंने कहा वेंकैया जी फर्स्ट राउंड में ऑन रिकॉर्ड है, फर्स्ट राउंड में हम इन तीनों कानूनों को पारित कराएंगे. इसलिए इसको थोड़ा सा वे आउट दिखाना है. रेफर करो कमेटी को. रेफर किया हमने. कमेटी में क्या हुआ आप लोग जाने. फिर बाद में रिपोर्ट आया. अभी नया विषय ले रहे. अभी कह रहे जीएसटी के बारे में, ये क्या है, बीएससी ने टाइम अलॉट नहीं किया. बीएससी 4 घंटा अलॉट किया. दूसरी सदन का विषय मैं उसमें पढ़ना नहीं चाहता हूँ, इसलिए मित्रों. और लास्टली मैडम, सी the people of the country has given such a mandate to our leaders in Narendra Modi and to our government. I am thankful to the parties, particularly BJD and YSR and TRS, and also the ADMK. Shivasena is our partner. They are our own old friends. Akali Dal also is our partner. TDP also is our partner. So अपना दल भी हमारा पार्टनर है और लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी हमारा पार्टनर है और कुशवाहा जी का पार्टी भी हमारा पार्टनर है। तो वो ये लोग जो हमारा पार्टनर्स नहीं है, हमारा वहां उनके साथ लड़ाई चल रहा है प्रदेशों में, फिर भी लोकतंत्र का हित में उन लोगों ने सदन चलाने में मदद किया है। इसलिए मैं पार्लियामेंट अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर के नाते उन लोगों को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। हमारा लड़ाई होते रहेगा, लेट अस आर्ग्यू, डिस्कस, डिबेट, डिसाइड, बट अलाउ द पार्लियामेंट टू फंक्शन। इनका कहना यह है मैडम, दे आर इन पावर, they pushed country backward. Now they are in opposition, they are not allowing us to move forward. The Prime Minister of India want to take the country forward. It pains us that the ruling party with this much strength, you can't say anything. Parliament Affairs Minister cannot say anything. My minister has no liberty to talk, open her heart and answer the allegations. You have not allowed even the last day. This is where I am really hurt. I feel sad. Even on today also, what is the treatment given to Sushma ji? When they stand up, I feel yes, Rahul also should be allowed to speak and we should hear him with this thing. Kharge ji feels he alone should be heard, others have no right. डेमोक्रेसी में ऐसा होता नहीं। इसलिए मैं प्रार्थना करता हूं लोगों से कम आगे के लिए जो जनता का जो मैंडेट है, वो मैंडेट is for the NDA to rule the country. Yes. You have mandate for you to sit in opposition, wait for your turn. It may be, as I told you, maybe 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Have patience. Don't make sweeping allegations and don't misuse the parliament and to make allegations against my Prime Minister. My Prime Minister is the most popular leader in the world today. I challenge it that anybody comes. Not only in India, in every part of the world, where our Indian Prime Minister is going, he is respected, he is hailed, India's prestige is going up. Everywhere in the world, India is recognized and respected. And you give everyday slogans against him, fancy slogans. You want to take revenge against the people because people have elected Narendra Modi. It is very unfair. I request the Congress party, which says that they have 130 years of experience and 50 years of ruling, please allow democracy to function. Madam, this is my request. I am sorry, I have to quote certain things because as a Parliament Affairs Minister, I have to put the record straight. That's why I have done it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now, Mallikarjun Kharge has to reply, but he is not present. So now I will take the motion. The question is that the House do now adjourn. Those in favor may say aye, there is nobody. Those against may say no. I think the noes have it, the motion is negatived.